morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We got to start out today by putting on my new expensive belt here from Case. I'm gonna get that on the 2188 combine. Larry's gonna get in the old 1586 grain cart tractor here, move that over to the circle, and we'll do some repairs and wait on it to dry out. Of course, it was super foggy today, and that's perfect wheat cutting weather. I got took out by that beat. Gosh dang. Why are you painting my good hammer?
Well, you don't lose it.
I didn't lose it, you did.
I think I painted green.
No, you gotta go red. Oh my gosh. Let's get this convoy moving. Let's get that new belt on. I'm gonna get all that nasty crud blown off there though. I don't wanna work around that nasty stuff. Loose here until it tightens on, you know.
I wonder if we could turn this pulley around. We just hit wrong.
Yeah, that's the whole header.
Well,
not quite, nope. Oh, we don't need to put that top shield back on. It's only for looks. Just this side shield here, and I think we'll call it good. Now we're gonna turn everything on and make sure it's all in there nice and correct. That was a successful test. All that works, thank goodness. So we got the old system on here. It's moving slowly. We're gonna get this thing straight east and west so we can cut east and west. And what we're doing is we're plopping all the straw on the ground. So once it's in a nice windrow, I'll show you what we're talking about. We're gonna have a baler man come by and bale up all this pretty straw out here. Look how nice that is. So these are windrows. Baler man's gonna come by and pick all this up. This whole circle will be nothing but lines back and forth, east to west, north to south, boys. What a good looking setup we got out here. We got a vintage 1680. That's our big combine, the 2188. I'm gonna go get some diesel fuel, get these machines topped off, and then it's gonna be lunchtime. And this is good wheat cutting weather, let me tell you. Humidity's at 72%, dew point 65. It's definitely gonna dry out today. Getting my big diesel. We got a construction project going on over here. They're tearing down this old building. It's like dinner and a show. Just about there, at 3/4 of a tank. Once it's full, it's time to go eat lunch. It's after lunchtime, humidity is going down, but it's still pretty high. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece of junk 8770 New Holland tractor in my nice new shiny Brent grain cart, and I'm gonna take it down there to the old combine. So in case that grain goes today and the other stuff's too wet, I'll have a combine down there with the grain cart and a small truck. She's still coming. Look at those good-looking cows over there. Blaine Michael has some good-looking cows. Cooling off. They're going swimming. We made it in one piece. Yeah, we got a pretty grain cart, a pretty red one to go along with the pretty red oh my gosh. Somebody came out here and vandalized that, and I bet it was Claver. Oh my. I'm gonna have to get him good for that now. Well, we're all set, and here comes There's the Smallville farmer train, buddy. He's hauling. They're gonna drop off one of these train cars. I'm gonna fill it with wheat for them. That's good right there, boys. Put it right there. So the old timers just showed up. They're trying to pressure me into taking a sample out here. Let's do the old test. You just feel the humidity coming off of this field. Man, I don't know. It's gonna be too wet.
Got 3 left.
What's the moisture?
13.8. 13. 14.1.
And all of that averages out to 13.7. Still too wet.
Too wet.
Ah, crap.
13.9.
Those old timers, they talked me into it. They said just go out there and try a little bit and see where we're at. Then we'll go try another field if this one's too wet. Go figure. Way too wet, isn't it?
We'll find out.
Yep.
I think about 14.
I do too. All right, I'm gonna put all this on the cart. I hope so. Now I'm playing double duty. I'm gonna put all of this on the cart onto the truck. I gotta try out my new grain cart and see if it works. Got a big load here, boys. I think it's working a little bit. So far, so good. Successful test of the grain cart. What's the verdict, Larry?
Program.
Okay.
14.4.
That's about par.
I said it'd be 14.
Yep.
That was my finger test.
Yep. That's it for this field. I can shift or run the gas since we're this close. You tell me.
Start first instead of third.
Yeah, I would.
Boy, somebody's damn knees in the way.
Can put it over here. He's on the phone with another farmer.
What'd you do? Dry it before you took it over? Yeah, dry it.
Oh, it's dry.
What'd you do? Put it in the oven before you took it over? Well, get to cutting now.
Let's go. What are we waiting on?
Well, let's go cut the Okay. Well, I guess you got work to do.
I guess we'll go back to the shop and drink beer.
Yeah. Well, let's speed up a little.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm taking my time. I guess we won't go, so.
What? Coward.
All right. See you later.
What's the verdict?
This was 13.4.
Oh, that's plenty dry for us. We can afford the dock. Well, we made it back to the shop. Those old timers, they don't want to do any test cuts. Whatever. Even though neighbor's cutting wheat. So I'm probably just go clean out the cab of that combine because I got a bunch of dust in there. I'll get the new combine all blown out, make her look pretty on the cab again, but let's go do an old taste test out here. That looks like a perfect one. Dude, that would go. If I could just convince these old timers. You gotta be able to see what you're doing, right? You know what? We're just gonna go pull out there and go just try a sample. Why not? Let's just go see what it's doing. Then we'll know where we're at for tomorrow, right? Yeah, that looks better. I'm in my nice new pretty combine. We're gonna come out here and cut just a little bit about right here and see what it averages. Try it too. Why not? Let's take a little bit from over here. This is some really good wheat. This is our irrigated wheat here. Look at that. Man, that'd be sweet if this made 100 bushels, wouldn't it? I mean, we're kicking up some dust. And it's rolling in good back there. So we'll just see where it's at. That's all we can do. I have no clue what it is about not having sample buckets. This is all I have right here is a wooden, or it's a cardboard box. Man, I don't know. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be like right at 13. But at least we'll know for tomorrow where it needs to be at, right? We're sending Larry off with the official test. He's gonna come back and tell us it's right at 13.5. I know it is.
13.9.
13.9?
Yep.
13.5. Okay, Larry's calling. Yeah, what's the verdict?
13.5.
I called it. I said 13.4.
No. Okay. Want to cut enough to fill this truck, take in? I suppose might as well, even if it's 14, we'll get one load in. Well, let's make an outside round here tonight and fill this truck and see where it's at. Yeah, I'll fill the truck. We'll take it in the morning. Okay. All right.
There you go, kids. We're gonna go cut, and Grandpa's gonna go take a leak or leave a leak.
I don't take it. I leave it.
You're gonna have to pedal fast with that 1680.
You won't be. You eat my dust.
Jeez. Well, I'm gonna have to shift down into one because you're gonna be going so slow over there. We'll let him go first. He's gonna get everything set there, and we'll pull in behind him. So now we got the spreaders off, we'll be able to make nice pretty windrows. He's just making final adjustments on rotor, fan speed, all that good stuff. There he goes. We gotta cut kind of low so we can get as much straw as we can.
I'm getting a little high on my blue flag, but I've got to because I'm about riding the ground over here going around the edge.
Yeah, I thought so. Don't worry, I'm cutting lower than you. Bunch of material going through right now.
Going through pretty good.
Yeah, it's just fogging in the grain bin right now. was thinking the same thing. We're gonna be full before we know it. Farming right along the highway, so everybody can stop by and say, hey, nice combine, Blake. Looks really good. Hope you have a good harvest. Thank you, you too.
Well, bring the grain cart out to the trees. I don't know if I can even make it back to the trees.
Oh, these old guys. I'm like, what is he doing? He's lost his mind. He just has his auger out. Grain cart's clear back over there by them blue harvesters. He's just driving with his auger out. Maybe I should do the same. You want me to drive with my auger out too?
Well, I thought if he couldn't hear me, maybe he could see my auger out, okay?
You have a small auger, okay?
Hey, size doesn't matter.
Well, Larry finally made it down here. I was full. The old combine was going beep, 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 beep. You're full. Beep, 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 beep. You're full. Oh yeah, there she goes, boys. Going down, down, down. Yes, sirree. Just sitting around waiting on these old timers again, go figure. Well, we're gonna wait to see what that truck comes back. We just sent Larry to the elevator. We'll see what the moisture is on it. Man, that's fun. I'll tell you right now, going from a 1480 combine to my brand new 2188 is awesome. It's a thumbs up, we're rolling. There goes Grandpa over there. I better get the old 21 fired up. I sure hope Grandpa cut a straight line, or else everybody driving along the highway over there is going to make fun of him. I'm just following what he does, you know, just doing what I'm told. Good old 1680, still cutting wheat. That's a good old machine. Not as good as the 2188 though, boys. We're just sitting out here, nice and full, waiting on Big Trucker. Where's Larry at? We're full. Come on, Larry. Yeah. Well, Larry finally made it back. Thank goodness. We've been sitting out here waiting on him. And everybody else is here. Chelsea's here. Abby's here. Abby, Elizabeth, you guys ready to cut some wheat? Are you ready to cut some wheat?
Yes. Hi.
Yeah. Chelsea, what do you think of your new combine? Don't you like it?
Yeah.
Isn't this a lot better than Daddy's old small combine?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Come here, honey. Come here. What'd you think? Good wheat? Oh God, we pissed them off, didn't we?
Yeah.
Damn truck drivers.
Now we gotta start the grain cart.
Oh gosh. What a good looking setup out here, boys and girls. That's basically gonna do it for us. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll be right back at it tomorrow. We'll see you guys then.